Saturday morning breakfast, some chives. Mission successful. Quite a warm morning. Successfully chivified. The secret of this meal is the apple jam underneath the egg. Good morning. Good morning. You guys having Saturday breakfast out on the terrace? We have an exciting project today that's coming to a close. A little work partner is ready to be moral support.
I was thinking, since we're polishing, I should polish this as well.
Oh, that's a good idea, isn't it?
This is getting the
Polish all our jewels.
Jewels! Family jewels!
We've been making a tight clip present for a customer. Today we're gonna give it to the customer. We're just doing the final bit of polishing and oxidization. This is 3D printed in plastic, cast in silver, and here this is sulfur, and it smells like sewers. Now this is the sulfur mix.
So it's really shiny.
In a matter of a few seconds, and we now have a black tie clip. So shiny and so dark. Time for a bit of polishing.
Shiny, it's like horrible and it's shiny.
We're all ready for our client meeting. We have the oxidized version and the shiny one. Plastic prototypes. Out on our trip we found an anthill which has revived after winter. That's a lot of motion. Let's go. We got stick. Gotta look snazzy. This is no good. Having a little stroll around Tønsberg. We're exploring the tiny streets, seeing if we can find some new apartment. Got a lollipop.
A cola one.
Claire feels overburdened, but I mean...
Yoga mats. I need 2.
Somebody gotta carry the receipts and car keys. And who's gonna document this? You're a strong lady. You're good at carrying. True gentleman. We're meeting a client. Hopefully they will be very happy. It seems so.
It seems so, and if they're not, we're screwed.
I think we'll be fine. We just left the customer who was just smiling from ear to ear.
Oh, that's amazing.
And they were just so happy to receive their clip tie, and they're given that as a gift. And at one point, Claire, I was tearing up.
Oh no!
Well, I didn't dare to show it, but I was like getting a little bit teary because I was just imagining when she was going to give the gift. Was this so sweet? That was a feel-good experience.
That was a good.
Husband and wife team,
Hey, okay.
success. I spy with my little eye. Wife! Hello! We're having an Age of Empires session with Claire's bro. And hello. And he looks like a cop today. Do you want to be on the vlog?
Ooh. How do I do that?
This is Marc. He's very cute.
Hello.
That's not a cute voice.
Yes, I had a terrible accident.
What happened?
I became a cop. I don't know how to get back.
You're gonna be a cop for life.
Oh, that's not good. Can you fill me up with some tea, please?
Guess who's coming out to play? On our little evening stroll. Tired now. We had a good Age of Empires match with your brother.
Yeah, that was fun. I was there with my travel.
Lots of trebuchets.
It's like you guys making loads and loads of infantry and other stuff, and it's 5 catapults. Except like 5 of them got destroyed. Someone has been a noob.
My strategy didn't work out as I expected. Our little doggy having little walkies. Moritz peed on the grass, then started eating the peed grass.
But then he was trying to eat the dandelions, and that's not good for him to eat. That's better to eat.
No, you have the grass, mate. He looks like a white spirit in the dark forest.